everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna try a challenge that I've been seeing other people do, and it's called Eating Like My Husband for 24 hours. Now, if you don't know, people call Joshua the garbage disposal because he'll literally eat anything. And he's one of those people that like eats constantly.
Good luck.
Yeah, I'm a little nervous. I already feel nauseous today, so I feel like this might not go well. Great. So how does Joshua start off his day of eating?
Well, it's a little before 7. Are you drinking what I drink as well?
I think I have to do everything.
Okay, so it's a little before 7. So far I've had, I guess you don't have to consume as much as I do, but I've had a couple cups of water.
Okay.
A cup of coffee.
You already had a whole cup?
Yeah. Yeah, but I'm ready for another one.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, so make me a cup of coffee that is like what you would drink.
You drink that.
What is this? But it's, can I microwave it?
I mean, I wouldn't.
Ew! This is already off to a bad start.
No, look, so...
This coffee, so okay, just to give you a background, I am a sweet coffee drinker. I mean, not like super sweet, but I put...
Yeah, super sweet.
I put flavored creamer in my coffee. I don't put any sugar, I just put flavored creamer. But I definitely put more than what he would. Now, he usually drinks black coffee, where the most he'll add is half and half. So this has half and half in it. It's from yesterday. And
it was in the fridge.
He's not letting me heat it up.
It was in the fridge. It's fine. Just drink it. It'll be okay.
That's really gross.
It's really good. It's not as good as when it's hot, I'll say that. But coffee's coffee.
Pray for me. Okay. Cheers. Ugh. How do you drink this? Are you kidding?
No, I'm not kidding.
It's gonna be a long day.
Coffee's coffee, you'll survive. Before we go for a walk, and then after we go for a walk, I have a little grape juice.
Grape juice? Yeah. What are you, 80?
Yeah. We gotta hurry because at 8:30 we gotta meet that guy, and I'm hungry. I need to eat something before we go. Well, I'm not saying you gotta chug it. There ain't left.
I didn't cheat. You all saw that. I was gonna drink it. Okay, we're gonna go for our walk and I'll catch up with you guys when we eat breakfast. Okay, we're back from our walk. I'm hungry.
Yeah, so am I.
What's for breakfast?
A bowl of healthy, nutritious honeycombs.
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 Okay.
Stop trying to eat the honeycombs. Good cat. Paige doesn't do well with milk, so she's gonna use the soy milk. Now, normally she uses almond milk, but I'm also a big fan of soy milk. I just like the drink. I like the taste, so she can use that instead of the regular milk.
How much do you put?
How much do I put?
Tell me when to stop.
Here, hold on. It's a process. Do it the right way. Okay, make sure that you get full coverage. There you go.
All right. I don't think I've ever eaten a bowl of honeycomb.
That's crazy, dude.
Now, just to give you perspective, I usually for breakfast have a protein shake or smoothie, or have like a healthy breakfast sandwich.
Well,
Something to that effect.
I
Or
feel
sometimes
like-
I don't eat breakfast at all.
I feel like I don't have time for that in the morning. The cereal is delicious. It's diverse.
But aren't you hungry in like 10 minutes? Because there's no protein in this.
I have snacks.
Oh. Alright, here we go. I also never use soy milk.
Love soy milk. It's got a great flavor.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, if I'm gonna be hungry in like 20 minutes.
Well, that's right. We have solutions. Since we're going to church, it'll probably have to be something portable like Pop-Tarts.
How's that any better? I'm still not getting any protein. I don't know how he does it.
All right. May I have 2 large blueberry hot coffees? Yes, please.
Oh, thank God.
I would also like 2 of the 3 cheese croissant stuffers.
Oh my God.
I am so sorry. I did not know we were actually on the blueberry flavor and we don't have croissants.
No blueberry flavor, and you don't have the croissants.
I am so sorry.
All right.
Would you like to replace that flavor in the coffee with someone else?
No, thank you. It's all right. Thank you.
Have a good one.
All right, you too.
Aww. Alright guys, we have decided on Starbucks instead since Dunkin' Donuts failed us today. See, that's what I get for trying to cheat on Starbucks. This is actually the first time I've had Starbucks since the stay-at-home order and the quarantine and everything. So I'm very excited. Hopefully he gets me something good.
I'll just have a small black coffee.
You better not. You better not. You never get that when we go to Starbucks, so that'd be cheating. You never get that.
We'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see.
Okay, let's try this again.
Having for cheese melody Starbucks, they're going to get started for you.
May I get 2 of the grande mocha cookie crumble frappuccinos?
Sure. 2 grande mocha cookie caramel frappuccinos. What else for you?
That'll do it.
All right. We'll have that for you at the window.
Thank you.
Alright guys, here's what Josh picked for us. The mocha cookie crumble frappuccino. So I like this, but I was kind of hoping for just caffeine, not extra sugar. See, for me, a frappuccino is like a sweet treat or like a dessert with a bonus of caffeine, but like when I want coffee, I don't get a frappuccino. You know what I mean? But this is what I'm stuck with. So we're at his mom's house and Josh is eating a bite of this cake.
It's just
I have to eat it then.
It's just a bite.
But I have to eat like you. Sour cream cake?
It's not. It's not. They just mislabeled it as angel food.
It's angel food cake.
Yeah, they just mislabeled it.
It says sour cream angel food cake.
It's not sour cream. It's just angel food.
Well, I don't like it.
Well,
What are you eating now?
peanut butter sandwich.
A peanut butter sandwich.
You said we need
Okay.
protein.
Okay.
You said we need protein.
I did say that.
And
Do you ever eat anything salty?
Okay, we'll put some salt on it.
No! That's not what I meant.
Well, look, I am working in a limited capacity here because we're over here at Mom's.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Here's breakfast part 2.
Breakfast.
It's, what do you call this? A snack?
This is the type of meal where it's going to get Bojangles.
We are not getting Bojangles. You're full of it. Josh, are you kidding me? Alright guys, we're back home from church. And Josh is drinking coffee, so I have to drink coffee too. This time it's black.
It's delicious. You'll drink it and you'll like it.
It's actually not as bad as I thought it was gonna
Uh-huh. Right.
be. Why is this better than when you put half and half in it? Okay, it's finally time for lunch.
I'm starving.
I know, I'm really hungry. I made Josh wait because I had to do some social media stuff. New video went up. I'll link it up above. Make sure you go watch it. It was trying weird snacks and drinks from Big Lots. It was really funny.
It was fun.
It was really funny.
Banana Bites, if you're listening, please let me be an ambassador. It was like the greatest snack I've ever had. It's awesome. I'm not exaggerating, folks. You gotta try the Banana Bites, coconut banana bites.
I'm
They're
so glad we
freaking
don't have
awesome.
any more because he would definitely force me to eat those
Heck
today.
yeah, well, those things are awesome.
Okay, anyway, what's for lunch?
All right, for lunch we are having this lovely leftover pasta we made. It's fettuccine, some
No.
sauce.
It's angel hair, sausage,
Not the Alfredo. I say
Alfredo,
fettuccine automatic.
and spinach.
Alfredo, spinach, ground sausage. We're gonna have this. We're
Okay.
gonna have.
Oh, there's more.
Yeah, we're gonna have chips and dip. What? We gotta get rid of the chips and dip.
Okay, so salsa, queso, tortilla chips go with pasta for you?
Yeah.
Havoc, don't eat that.
Hey, get your nose out of my food, man. So yeah, we're gonna eat this because we gotta use some of this stuff up, you know.
In case you couldn't figure out, Josh bases a lot of his meals off of what needs to be thrown away, what might expire soon. Oh, we're not heating it up.
Of course, I'm not gonna.
Oh, he doesn't heat things up. I have to eat cold Alfredo pasta.
It's so good. You're gonna love it. I think it's better cold. Honestly, I do. Just
Okay,
try it.
All right.
Try it.
I have to try it. So I don't really have a choice in the matter.
Right.
All right, here you go. Cold, clumpy pasta.
Better than you thought, isn't it?
The cold sausage is what throws me off.
It's fine.
The pasta is fine because, you know, some pasta salads are cold. Look how clumpy it is.
It's fine. That just means you can get more in one bite.
You're hogging the chips over there.
Look at that, your muscles.
Yeah, right. Here's
good.
queso to go with my pasta.
It's good, isn't it?
It is just a weird combination.
It will.
I still also have this black coffee that I have to drink. It does not go with this meal.
Well,
Ugh.
that's the beauty of
Ugh,
coffee.
it doesn't go
you know?
with food.
That's the beauty of coffee. Is that it goes with every meal.
No, it doesn't.
It's like a palate cleanser, you know? You get a bite of this, have a sip of coffee, and then
I have to do it in a specific
queso or
order?
salsa. It's a palate cleanser. That's what a palate cleanser does. Cleanse your palate.
Didn't know there were all these rules in
Yeah.
Josh's diet.
We also gotta finish that grape juice in there.
Grape juice.
Yeah, I'm trying to get rid of it.
Okay.
So
Can we
we'll
not
finish.
add another thing to this meal?
Well, it won't be. I'll save it for later then. Maybe dinner or something. What?
Why does it have to do with the meal?
You're gonna drink grape juice in the middle of the day.
I don't want to have grape juice with pizza.
We'll see.
Anyway, I'll catch up with you guys later.
We'll see.
Alright guys, it's been like over an hour. Josh wants to eat again.
It's just a little piece of angel food cake. I'm just having a little snack.
I'm all hot because we were just doing stuff outside. and I'm full.
It's just a little piece.
Can I just have like...
Oh, jeez. Good stuff, man. You like anything I eat?
It's not that the stuff you eat tastes bad. I just don't understand it.
What is there to understand? It's angel food cake. It's delicious, and I want it.
I feel like angel food cake is just like empty calories.
No, donuts are empty calories.
I would much rather have a donut than that.
Absolutely not.
Donuts actually have flavor.
Angel food cake has so much flavor. So much flavor. It's light and fluffy and delicious. And every time you have some, you might be adding a few calories, but you're also adding a little bit of angel to you.
Oh, Jesus. Alright, guys. My next snack is drinking grape juice from the bottle, specifically. Pretty good, actually. All right, guys, we ordered Papa John's. Joshua picked Tuscan 6 cheese, and then this one has mushroom and green pepper. So I have to eat however many pieces he eats. So right now it's just 2 pieces. Wish me luck. All right, I just finished eating my dinner, and now it's already dessert time, apparently.
I gave you at least a 5-minute break. But, so we
You're
are
so
having,
kind.
tonight we are having watermelon chocolate chip.
Sherbet. Now, I'm not having as much as Josh would, because if I have too much dairy, my stomach gets upset. But we'll go with this.
And please, eat ice cream responsibly.
The first bite is really weird, but after the first bite, it's good. All right, guys, this is the last thing. Josh decided that the other dessert was not enough. We need to have some chocolate. So I'm gonna eat this piece of chocolate, and then we're gonna go to bed. All in all, there was nothing terrible that I ate today. Very different than how I would normally eat. My stomach definitely feels upset. And I feel gross, but I guess it wasn't that bad. It could have been a lot worse. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. Leave a comment down below with what you thought was the best thing I ate today and the worst thing that I ate today. And I hope that you take this challenge, eat like your significant other for the day. It is quite entertaining. And make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you every Wednesday and Sunday with a new upload. Bye, everyone.